YouTubers and YouTubettes. What's up? Hey, look, I want y'all to check out this Monte Carlo. Uh, this Monte Carlo was the third kit I purchased when I started getting into this hobby stuff. Um, the kit had some issues. Either that or I didn't know what I was doing. I probably didn't know what I was doing, but the first issue I ran across was the hood fitting funny, and then I lost a piece on this right corner, that chrome piece at the bottom. I lost that piece, and then the windshield wouldn't fit right with the dashboard, and then all the other kind of stuff. So I said to hell with it, and I set it to the side. Y'all probably have seen it before in one of my videos. So tonight I came out here and I started messing around with it. Looked in the box. Looked in uh, the little tray I had the parts in, and that was the other piece. So I used the white walls for the original tires for this car that I was going to originally use. I used the white walls and put them on the GTO. So tonight I was like, man, those factory wheels gonna look ugly without white walls. So I dug into the El Camino kit and got these wheels here, the spoke wheels, which look really good on here. I wish it had white walls on it, but it still look good right now like it is. The motor doesn't have the carburetor on it, and it doesn't have the fan and belt assembly on it. I might put it back on, but I just attached everything on it and on the body. And I didn't put the plate on there, but playing around with it. So another thing, what happened was I broke the wheel pins. They broke off inside the chassis. So I had to drill them out, and I cut I cut two nails and uh, made the holes a little bigger and put them through like that and glued them. So that's how the front tires are staying on. I have a picture that I post of it here after a while. But I just wanted y'all to check this out. I told y'all I wasn't building no more, so I started working on old stuff. I had to put the mirror and the quarter window back on that Grand National over there because a picture fell out the wall and hit it. I don't know what it did to the paint. I'm scared to even pick it up and look at it, but it knocked it out. So I had to. I put them back in it. I put the windshield back in the Cutlass. So maybe tomorrow I'll finish the Grand National, but and then I might finish this. I might finish this one here that I started on a long time ago. The only reason I didn't finish it because I don't have the white walls for the tires. It had to have white walls, so I'll figure something out with that. All right, y'all. Monte Carlo. Y'all check it out. That's it, and that's all. And I'm out, y'all.